Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and stylish ideas of Pixi haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hair styling. And many much more beautiful ideas of Pixi haircut with side bang with full hair dye and attractive stylish hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixi. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, and so beautiful collection of step, undercut, and latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And so attractive ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and very attractive ideas of dye, latest and trendy hair dye, blonde shade, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde, and other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, and so stylish ideas of light brown, dark brown. Some ideas in funky colors and very attractive collection of highlights, in blonde color, in funky colors, and so attractive ideas of burgundy color, and blonde color with dark base color, and funky colors in light base color, and very beautiful ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas make curl with curler, and spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and many much more variety of messy hairstyle, and overall collection of messy hairstyle and attractive collection of Pixi haircut in short hair, beautiful hairstyling, hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.